Drama after the police has released a statement seeking information on Mazimbabwe Shanduko. Panguva ine achipumzirwa mhaka for undermining the police authority. Zvinopinda mashoko kuda panguva ine zvazosiya the ZRP police aiwa yazosiyiwa ine mhaka manje ichionekwa kunzi it act as if it is doing work, but panguva ine kunokuona kunzi it is weaponizing the law. Zvinopinda mashoko anobuda nyoko panguva ine zvanyazobuda pachena ZRP chifumura unobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Panguva ine tichipinda this statement robuda nyoko achinzi seeking information on Mazimbabwe Shanduko for undermining of police authority. The Zimbabwe Republic Police is seeking information on the location and whereabouts of Mazimbabwe Shanduko Godfrey Karemba in connection with reports of undermining police authority. Anyone with information should feel free to contact any nearest police station or national complaints desk. WhatsApp number ndobva vaisa naremozha. Panguva ine toona kuti Douglas Courtett replied to their post yamuri kuona this press statement iri kutsvaka paZimbabwe Shanduko kubuda nyora achiti I do have some information about another case you are supposedly investigating, which I reposted at Harare Central Police Station on 1 April 2026 under IR number 040038 IR. The accused person, Lakmo Gapa, was recently seen at a ZANU-PF rally seated in a place of honor on the stage. How far with your investigations? Fellow citizens, please kindly assist the police by calling the National Complaints Desk number with this information, RT for awareness. Normal developments are kubuda panguva ine kuti panguva ine the ZRP iri kutsvaka vakomana vana Godfrey Karemba panguva ino for saying the truth, but panguva ine kuri kunzi Douglas Courtett by his confiscated mobile phone yakatogwa nana Lakmo Gapa panguva ino. Despite the efforts done by Douglas Courtett visiting the police station and also reminding the ZRP it has never done anything, just to see him last weekend achionekwa kunzi akanga aritori reserved positions but a thank you rally. Panguva ine kuchionekwa kunzi the ZRP police has done nothing, despite the fact yekuti panguva ino anyazozikamwa kuti pane zvaakaita zvine evidence. Pinda comment section medu zofungura email kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.